Over the last 5 years, thought leadership has become one of the most explosive and successful methods B2B marketeers can use to engage with their audiences. But what exactly is thought leadership, and how can you deploy it in your business? Well, stick around. In this video, I'll show you how. Thought leadership is the art and practice of elevating key individuals in your business to communicate their expertise around specific subject points which matter to your brand. Thought leadership is an incredibly potent tool when used effectively. When used poorly, it can come across as very annoying. So how do you deploy a thought leadership program? Well, at Social Tree Global, we have a method which can turn your staff into LinkedIn superheroes. The first phase of our program consists of strategy. Without strategy, you cannot make a thought leadership program succeed. Within the strategy, you have to define your core KPIs and objectives and align them closely to the business objectives for the year. It's really important to have a detailed conversation with the thought leader you're hoping to promote to understand exactly what they're going to say on social media. It's not enough to just become an informative person who speaks about technical subjects. You have to have a layer of authenticity and sincerity into your content. The next phase is the amplification phase. In the amplification phase, marketing, communications, and the thought leader themselves will be working overtime to get their messages out across LinkedIn and other social media channels. The amplification phase is quite a difficult phase to master, and it does essentially mean that you have to commit to 6 months to a year of regular content updates before you see some massive changes in your bottom line when it comes to thought leadership. The third phase is the conversion phase. The conversion phase of thought leadership campaign is where everyone brings in the bacon. It's where the money is made. And after a sustained period of activity of 6 to 12 months, you should expect demand to be generated from your thought leader. What does demand actually look like? Well, I'll give you an example. If you are running a thought leadership program focusing on AI, robotics, and automation, and your thought leader in your business has been speaking and raising some essential topics around this topic for the last 6 months, then what you should start to see is a consistent and regular crowd of individuals who are engaging with that thought leader. At the appropriate time, marketing with partnership with the thought leader would probably start some kind of collaborative online or face-to-face event, inviting these individuals to a one-on-one or group discussion involving the thought leader. That way, there's a 360-degree pipeline journey involving the thought leader, which adds another layer of sincerity to the whole experience. And then finally, you have the review phase. In the review phase, you're optimizing and improving the thought leadership profile based on the historical data of the campaign. This phase is really important because it allows you to tweak and improve your strategy when you start a new sprint of the thought leadership program. So that is the summary of thought leadership. If you wanted to find out more, then please do stay in touch with me or click on the links below in the description and we can book a session to talk about your thought leadership strategy in the future.